'Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain.
Good morning, guys. Happy New Year. So today I am going to bring you what I cook for breakfast, but I'm going to show you how I make homemade fruit syrup. So first of all, I use butter in my pan, and here is some frozen fruit. I sometimes do it with fresh fruit, and I cook them down. This is frozen, so I do cook them down until they get soft.
I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end.
So here you can see where it is cooking down to exactly what I need. But make sure you do lots of stirring because you don't want it to burn.
Leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. You're on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end.
Now, as you can see, the outer skirts of the fruit, yes, the butter has brought out all the natural sugars from the fruit. So guys, now at this point, I let it simmer, but I am still doing it somewhat on a higher temperature. But it's what I do next, what makes my fruit syrup taste absolutely so good. Yes, guys, what I am getting ready to add, can you guess? If you says lemon or lime juice, that would be correct. So I don't per se measure it. I do add it constantly in between because what the lemon or lime juice will do, it will help it caramelize a little bit better. But it is that fresh taste of that lemon juice mixed with that butter. And here I am adding in Splenda. Guys, can you say my breakfast is getting ready to be so good? This is the most healthiest syrup that you can ever make. Yes, fresh fruit syrup.
You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end.
So guys, here it is time to plate it. So here I have some eggnog French toast, some cheesy grits, sausage, and turkey bacon. And yes, here is my homemade fruit syrup. It is so good, and guys, look at that. Yes, 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 and yes. So you know you definitely want your food to be so welcoming and inviting and pretty. So look what we adding. Yes, we are. Now look at that. That is a meal for a king or a queen. Yes!
'Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid, just follow me. You don't need no space, just follow me. Like a mirror you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror you reflect me. I just don't want this, I just don't want this moment to end. I'm not leaving